All right, mates, I'm glad you're here. We've got some cracking good findings to share. So, grab yourself a bevy and let's go. Le Procope, established in 1686, is considered the oldest café in Paris. It has hosted many famous patrons over the centuries, including Voltaire, Benjamin Franklin, and, of course, Napoleon Bonaparte. Also known as the Sea of Trees, the Aokigahara Forest of Japan, at the base of Mount Fuji, is known for its unusual and eerie silence, created by the absence of wildlife and the sound-dampening properties of the lava floor. When massive stars explode in supernovae, they can leave behind neutron stars, extremely dense remnants made almost entirely of neutrons. A neutron star's core is so dense that a sugar cube-sized amount of material from it would weigh about 1 billion tons on Earth. In 1807, after signing the Treaties of Tilsit, Napoleon Bonaparte organized an amusing rabbit hunt for his men. However, the rabbits were so numerous and aggressive that they swarmed Napoleon and his party, forcing them to retreat. True story. Would you believe there are literally rogue planets that do not orbit any star and drift through space independently? Some estimates suggest there could be billions in our galaxy alone. In Finland, it's been said there are more hot and steam saunas than cars. That's because saunas play a vital role in Finnish culture, serving as places for socializing, relaxation, and even business meetings.
Playing cards have a historical meaning. It's been said that the 4 suits of a deck of playing cards come from the 4 pillars of the medieval economy: hearts for the church, spades for the military, diamonds for the merchants, and clubs for the farmers. You probably wouldn't have guessed, but peppers, bell peppers specifically, have more vitamin C than oranges. In total, about 2 to 3 times as much, depending on the color of the pepper. There are various phobias these days revolving around technology and people. Technophobia is the fear of technology. Cyberphobia is the general fear of computers. And nomophobia is the fear of being without a mobile phone. I think most of us can relate to that last one. How about this for some crazy math? The known universe is made up of 50 billion galaxies, and the average galaxy contains between 100 billion and 100 trillion stars. Still think we're alone? In 1945, a balloon bomb launched by Japan landed in Oregon. It exploded over a woman and 5 children, and all died as a result. These were the only World War II casualties on United States soil during the war. Rubber erasers work scientifically. Pencils produce marks on paper since graphite reacts with the fibers in paper. Because eraser particles are sticky, they collect graphite from pencil marks. Therefore, erasing is a result of chemical bonds, not so much from the physical act of rubbing.
One of the most famous libraries of the ancient world, the Library of Alexandria in Egypt, was accidentally burned down by Julius Caesar during a civil war in 48 BC. It is believed that the library housed hundreds of thousands of scrolls and was a major center of scholarship until its destruction. Also known as water bears, Tardigrades are bizarre microscopic organisms that can survive extreme conditions, including the vacuum of space, intense radiation, and temperatures from nearly absolute zero to over 145 degrees Celsius. Discovered in 1799, the Rosetta Stone was key to deciphering Egyptian hieroglyphs, pictures of various objects representing words. The stone contains the same text in Greek, Demotic, and hieroglyphic scripts. A shrimp's heart is in its head. The heart of a shrimp is located in its thorax, which is part of its head, rather than its chest. Mansa Musa, the 14th century emperor of the Mali Empire, is often considered one of the wealthiest individuals in history. His pilgrimage to Mecca in 1324 showcased his extraordinary wealth and significantly impacted the economies of the regions he traversed. Sharks are older than trees. Yes, really. They have existed for over 400 million years, whereas the earliest trees appeared around 350 million years ago. Those were brilliant. Don't you agree? We love the work it takes to get these sorted for you. Do us a favor and like this video and share it with a friend. Cheers.